Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Visa gift card on Roblox. It's actually really easy and simple. Now for this guys, you can do it on any browser. It doesn't matter. You can do it on your PC or you can even do it on your phone actually. So it doesn't really matter guys. It's not like you need to, if you're in a Google Play Store or your App Store on your iPhone, just do this on your browser where it says roblox.com/home. Whatever it is, just change this to roblox.com/redeem, guys. Roblox.com/redeem, and it's going to redirect you to this page right now in just a second. It should redirect me. Alright, it's taking a bit of time now. I don't know what happened. Maybe their servers are down. I guess it happens sometimes. So here, all you need to do is enter your gift card code and just click redeem, guys. It's literally that easy and simple. Once you click redeem, your Robux is gonna increase right here, and you will get your Robux. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. If the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we have a lot more Roblox videos coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notification bell. So make sure you do that.